the reasons for the methylate, well, the main reason is that you cannot allow your able-bodied man to be withdrawn from training just because he has a blister on his foot. He needs to continue with training. He needs to then obviously be able to be deployed, but he needs his feet to do so. So the methylate, yes, that burned like a mother. It felt like you get an amputation. And in South Africa, we have a word that starts with a P that a lot of guys used when they got this injection. The basic medical background as to why was done. Firstly, the Omniboot is not a very a sterile place or a place without germs. So firstly, you need to sterilize your wound, which sometimes would be extensive on the foot, either on the ball of your foot or the heel. Then secondly, also you need to have it dry because it needs to heal. And obviously, thirdly, you need to have the blister not repeat. So that's what they did. So they basically, the medic or even your corporal, whomever, would take a few milliliters of methylate into the syringe, then put the needle into the blister, aspirate the content of the blister, make it mix with the methylate, and then yippee-ki-yay, put it back in. And that's when the swearing and the writhing and the sweating and everything would start with the pain. But literally, it feels like you get an amputation. If you haven't experienced it before, you wouldn't know.